Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. Consider the quadratic pattern. A new pattern Pn is formed by adding 3 to each term in the given quadratic pattern. Write down the general term Pn in the form Pn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Right, we found that our Tn is equal to 2n squared minus 3n minus 8 in the previous question, isn't it? That is for this pattern. So now every term, now we're adding 3 to every term to get Pn. So this is the general term. It means it represents every term in the pattern. This equation represents every term in the pattern. If we put 1 where there's n, we get negative 9. If you put 2 where there's n, we get negative 6. If you put 3 where there's n, we get 1, like that. So this is the general term. So it means we are actually adding 3 to this general term. So it means Pn is equal to Tn plus 3. Okay, which is 2n squared minus 3n minus 8, which is Tn, then plus 3. So therefore Pn is equal to 2n squared minus 3n minus 5. That's the equation of Pn in this form.